Welcome back. We're up here at American Fork Canyon. Tonight we're gonna be building campfires, cooking food over the fire, and unwinding from the work week. Alright guys, so the spot we're headed to is up AF Canyon. It's named American Fork Canyon from the American Fork River that flows through it. The American Fork River was named by 19th century fur trappers and explorers, and it was likely named to distinguish between the nearby Spanish Fork River. The Timpanogos Cave is also up this canyon. So there's a little history lesson for you. This particular spot that we're headed up to does not actually allow overnight camping. So we're gonna have to head back down tonight. All right, enough jib jabbering. Let's head up there. All right, first things first, we need to cut some firewood. Alright guys, well I got my fire going. Alright guys, so I have this really cool camping grill that I want to test out. Let's see what we've got for dinner. Alright guys, so for dinner I brought along these pork chops. I got this seasoning too. Man, I love this stuff. Alright, let's go ahead and throw them on fire here. Okay, so I threw them right over the flame just because I want to get a good sear here. Most foods cook at 375 degrees. So a good rule of thumb when you're cooking over the fire, you're at 375 degrees. You want to hold your hand, and when it gets 3 seconds, that's about 375 degrees. All right, let's go ahead and flip them. All right, they're looking good. Alright guys, so I forgot my pan, so we're just going to have to go ahead and set it on my table here. right, guys, it looks good. Oh man, I'm so ready to dig in. I'm so hungry. All right, guys, so since we're out in the woods, we're just gonna go for it. That's good. Who needs utensils, right? All right, so for dessert, I got something special. That's good. Forgot how much chopping wood takes out of you. That fire feels so good. A little cold up here tonight. So last time I was up here, there was a thunderstorm. And the thunder was so loud, it scared me so bad, that I ended up running to my car and leaving everything down here. And I came back the next morning and had to grab all my stuff. Alright, time to pee on the fire and call the dogs, as they say. So I went to throw my grill out of the fire, and I realized I forgot to hit record. Well, guys, I made it back home. I am exhausted. It's time for bed. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. We'll see you guys next time.